Alright, so this is a video from Electric Connections, and I am about to make a 7S 1P power pack. The fastest you've ever seen. That's it. How long was that? 5 seconds? 10 seconds? 15 seconds? No more soldering. No more soldering. No more spot welding. Okay? Now you have time to do other things. These battery holders have a soldering tab on top and another one on the bottom, so you can attach whatever you want. From here you can put discharging cables. You can put one of these, attach it, attach one of these guys so you can discharge or charge them. Make sure the batteries stay at a correct voltage. Each one has it from the top and the bottom on both sides. The easy battery layout lets you know exactly what battery, which way the batteries go. The contacts are negative and positive, so you don't have to worry about those. Each one has the symbol, as you can see, has a positive and a negative symbol. And that's pretty much it. The hardest part is figuring out which way is positive and which way is negative. Sometimes it can be a little confusing, but this takes out the confusion. Life's difficult. Let's make it simple. Here, let's do that again for you, just in case you missed it the first time. Don't blink, you might miss it. There you go. Now you got two. 24 volts, 24 volts, 7S. Let's check the voltage so you don't think this is a scam. You're right. Turn this on. Function. I think my battery died on this one. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, there it goes. Gotta push the button properly. Alright, so here we go. Hope you can see that. Here we go. One there. And one there. See what it says. Just turn on the light, make it easy for you. Oh yeah, battery's dying. Alright. It says 25.3, hold on, let me stop moving around. 27 volts. There you go. Now you know. Come visit us on Amazon, eBay, or on our website, diypowerwall.com.